lagi ka mga tanan sa aton training program, Basic Skills Responders Course, and I hope that this training will give you more knowledge and success. Hope nga matapos ng training nga siling ni Sir Gina, buo pa ta, kompleto ta, wala sang untoward incident nga matabot during the trainings. So, kamo nga tanan, ginawelcome ginamon, kag ginapasalamatan sa pag-participate sa sining nga training.
In behalf of the service providers, the agency, and the Ayala Mall Capital Central, I have to present the participants for the 4-day company fire brigade training. 1 for the engineering maintenance, 2 for the housekeeping, and 19 for the security personnel, with a total of 22 participants who represent the Ayala Mall Capital Central for the fire brigade training. Ma'am, sir.
I would like to thank the management of Ayala Malls Capital Central for conducting this kind of activities. Based sa aton nga FARCOD, no, all companies na employing or can accommodate 50 and up nga person are required to undergo this fire brigade, company fire brigade training. So that is man for para sa response, no, kag ma-organize naton ang company fire brigade within your establishment, the Ayala Malls Capital Central. So kamo ang magiging first responder diri, no, especially fire incidents.
We are really privileged na the company invests so much in all of us, in you most especially, nga anita dit subong tanan. So it is not just to upskill you, it is also something that you can take with you even if you leave the company after pila na katuig, di ba, ma-retire ta. It is something ara na naiya sa inyo. So, it is really a privilege for all of us to be here present. Fire brigade training is really special because it will equip each one of you to subong ang ginatanan as emergency response team, as diri na sa mall. We can already help as fire brigade team. We can also extend help to our neighbors, or every time may sunog, tanga makita, di ba, gapasend kita og men bulig, pero what we can do, kahatag ng tubig, assist sa mga fire marshals, firefighters, but now, we can actually be there to help out more. So, dako man siya balang privilege, kag dako man siya also a responsibility to all of us, but it is really an honor for each one of you to be part of the fire brigade.
We got your back, you got nothing to fear. Pick up the slack, we can take it from here. Go on and handle what you need to when you need to. We got you. Reach out the minute you wake up, chest already pounding hard. Burnt nerves, you're never gonna make up. Wonder how we got this far. Too late to retrace the steps. Won't do any good, I guess. Never gonna make it out. Never gonna make it now. We got your back, you got nothing to fear. Pick up the slack, we can take it from here. Go on and handle what you need to when you need to. We got you. You feel it rise with every word that they say. Let it pass by, anything in the way. No need to worry or be sorry, 'cause I see you in the light. Sincere, it's stripped without pleasures, taken down in physical form. Templates I'm never gonna measure, wondering what the lines are for. Too late to retrace steps, too soon to just forget. Every time you're coming down, every time you're coming down. We got your back, you got nothing to fear. Pick up the slack, we can take it from here. No need to worry or be sorry, 'cause I see you in the light. In the light. Too late to retrace the steps. Won't do any good, I guess. Never gonna make it out. Never gonna fake it now. We got your back, you got nothing to fear. Pick up the slack, we can take it from here. Go on and handle what you need to when you need to. We got you. You feel it rise with every word that they say. Let it pass by, anything in the way. No need to worry or be sorry, 'cause I see you in the light. 'Cause I see you in the light.
Congratulations to all participants of Ayala Mall Capital Central Company Fire Brigade Training for successfully completing the 4 days training. May the knowledge that you have learned and the skills that you acquired will help you capacitate as you perform your responsibilities as first responders of Ayala Mall. Continue learning and sharing your knowledge to everyone around you, may it be in your workplace or in your respective homes. Lastly, be a fire safety advocate, and let's work together in building a fire-safe community. Once again, my warmest congratulations to all of you.